Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot. Congratulations on the purchase of your new 208. I'm going to show you around some of the basic features of this car to help get you up and running. So let's have a look around. The controls for your lights and indicators are located on the stick left of the steering wheel. Move the stick up to indicate right, down to indicate left. You can rotate this control to flick through your settings such as side lights or headlights. To use full beam, pull towards you, or to leave full beam on, pull a little bit further. The controls for the wipers are located on the stick right of the steering wheel. If you move the stick down, this can activate or deactivate the automatic wiper feature. If you move up, you can go through the settings of intermittent, slower speed, or the faster speed. If you need to use the jets, pull the stick towards you. And to use the back wiper, rotate clockwise and rotate again to use the rear jets. The controls to adjust the wing mirrors are located on the driver's side door. Use this slider to control either the left or the right wing mirror, and then directional buttons to adjust accordingly. If you need to fold the wing mirrors in from inside the car, slide the button to the middle and pull down. The latch for the bonnet is located in the passenger side footwell. To connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth, click Bluetooth Search. Now you need to make sure that your phone has Bluetooth switched on, and after a short search it will detect the device. Select the device. It will come up with a pair code which you need to accept both on your phone and in car. And from here you choose how you want to use the device. To control the air conditioning, you use the touchscreen. On the left you control the power of the fan. In the middle, temperature controls. On the right, where you'd like the air to be blown. And at the bottom here you've got air conditioning on or off, and also you can set it to auto. The car also features cruise control with a speed limiter. These controls can be found to the left of the steering wheel underneath the indicators and lights. This scroller can be controlled from the front or the back. Have it up for the speed limiter or down for cruise control. With cruise control on, if you press the button at the top on the back, this sets the speed that you're currently doing. You can then use this button again to increase the speed, the bottom button to decrease the speed, the button on the end to pause your cruise control. If you require further assistance with the controls of your vehicle, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. We wish you many happy journeys in your new car and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.